welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mariah Gallegos, also known as Gallegos Glamour, and today I kind of just did a get ready with me. Today's my day off, so I'm kind of not doing much, but I definitely did want to film a video for you guys, so I just thought I would record myself getting ready. I was watching Netflix the whole time, so if my head is like turned or anything, that's what's happening. But yeah, so this was the finished look. I actually really like it. I think that it's a really pretty glam, and I feel really pretty, so that's always nice, I guess. But if you want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and just keep on watching. So starting out, I'm going to use my Morphe eye primer. I've actually really been enjoying this primer. It works really well, and I'm not usually a fan of the cream, like, translucent ones. I'm going to be dipping into the Jaclyn Hill Vault Ring the Alarm, taking Rush, and then building it up by adding Mugshot, a nice camel brown, and then adding Siren to the outer corner after that. And then finishing it off with Secret, which is the darker brown shade, just to really give it some depth. I just wanted to have a nice base because I'm going to be going in with a Dazzle shadow from MAC. So I just kind of wanted a nice warm base, and the Ring the Alarm palette is perfect for that. Next, I'm just cutting my crease with the ColourPop concealer. I feel like this is a really nice concealer because it's super pigmented and easy to move around. It's one of my favorite concealers for cutting the crease. I'm also using a Wet n Wild concealer brush in case you're needing a new brush for your cut creases. I know this footage is really bad, but I'm just applying the Dazzle shadow from MAC. It's in the shade Beam Time, and then going in with MAC Strobe Cream and Peach Light. Oh my gosh, so this primer water has been my favorite way to prime. I've never really been into it when it first came out, but it's actually really good. And then obviously taking my Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick, and then my Mary Kay concealer. I forgot how much I actually like this concealer, honestly. It's actually a really nice concealer, as you'll be able to see. So next, going in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Fair Light. I actually really like this powder, and I prefer it over my Laura Mercier, which is like a huge deal. Next, going in with my Aaliyah bronzer. I feel like it's a really nice subtle bronze, so I really like building it up. Then applying a black eyeliner pencil just along my lower lashes and upper lashes. And then taking MAC Prism Blush, which is a really subtle blush. I ended up going with another one, but we'll get there. And then taking the Amazing highlight because I love this highlight so much. It makes me just feel really pretty. So then I'm going in with the Benefit Ka-Brow. I use the shade number 4. I really like the Ka-Brow. I feel like it tames my brows really well. And then I go in with the Mary Kay Clear Brow Gel. I really like this product. It really does its job, so I don't mind it. And then I'm going in with the Lily Lashes in Mykonos. These are my absolute favorite lashes. I talked about it on my live yesterday, and I just love them. So then going in with Mud Cosmetics Lemon Pie Eye Brightener. I love a bright under eye, if you guys can tell. I don't know. But I actually really like that product. I've actually also been really, I say actually, I've really been into nose contour lately, and I think it's because this little kit, I'll have it linked down below, but it was from the Morphe store. I think it was a collab with somebody, but it actually makes contouring your nose really easy, so I struggle with it. I feel like I widen my nose instead of like snatching it. I don't know about you guys. And so then I go in with the MAC Extended Play, and I love this mascara. It just really grips my lashes so nicely. And then applying blush. I told you guys I was going to go back in with blush, and here I am because I love blush. And that was the Juvia's Place Saharan Volume 2 blush palette. That was a mouthful. Then going in with MAC Cork, which has been my favorite brown lip liner. This one or NYX Brooklyn Thorn. It's like game over. Wet n Wild Sugar Sugar. If you can find it, pick it up because it's rare. And then MAC Aaliyah, which is my fave right now, and that's all. So there you have the finished video. I really hope that you guys liked this. I think that it looked really pretty. I liked all the products that I used, and I think that it turned out really nice. If you did like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!